Ancillary Services in Banking, the Often Overlooked Essentials by Pooyan Ghamari. Amidst the grandeur of large-scale banking operations, the more nuanced, yet equally vital, ancillary services often get overshadowed. While they might not headline banking brochures, these services offer essential functionalities that enhance and simplify the banking experience for patrons. Demystifying ancillary services. Ancillary services refer to those additional offerings that banks provide beyond the primary operations of deposits, loans, and transfers. They're often the unsung heroes in the vast suite of banking amenities. Statement generation and documentation, whether it's a monthly account statement, yearly interest summary, or loan amortization schedule, banks offer a variety of documentation to help patrons keep track of their finances. Checkbooks and Payment Instruments. From issuing new checkbooks to providing bank drafts and cashier's checks, these instruments facilitate a myriad of payment options for customers. Safe deposit boxes. Banks offer secure storage facilities, commonly referred to as safe deposit boxes, allowing patrons to store valuable items or documents in a protected environment. Notary and authentication services. Some banks offer notary services to authenticate and certify essential documents, adding a layer of official validity. Pricing and costs of ancillary services. These services, while essential, aren't always complimentary. Service fees. Many banks charge nominal fees for issuing additional checkbooks, creating duplicate statements, or renting safe deposit boxes. These fees often cover the operational costs associated with the service. Subscription models. Some premium services, like larger safe deposit boxes or specialized documentation services, might come with a subscription fee, ensuring extended or enhanced usage. Factors influencing ancillary service offerings. Customer demand. The variety and scope of ancillary services often hinge on what the bank's clientele demands. A more diverse customer base might necessitate a broader array of services. Technological advancements. With the rise of digital banking, some traditional ancillary services, like physical statement generation, have evolved into digital formats, while new services, like digital notarization, have emerged. Regulatory environment. Depending on the jurisdiction, banks might be mandated to provide certain ancillary services for free or at a capped fee, ensuring accessibility for all patrons. The importance of ancillary services in the banking ecosystem. Though they might not be the most glamorous aspect of banking, ancillary services fill critical gaps, ensuring that customers have a holistic, seamless, and enriched banking experience. They provide the extras that often make banking more accessible, secure, and tailored to individual needs. In conclusion, ancillary services, with their wide range and essential nature, play an indispensable role in shaping the overall banking experience, underscoring the adage that sometimes, it's the little things that matter the most.